Good afternoon, this is Jay with your Ocean Surf Shop Surf Report for Monday, November 21st at 1:30 p.m. Be sure to stop by the shop to enter to win a GoPro camera. We will have that drawing on November 25th, which is Black Friday. Also, that day we'll be having a store-wide sale at 25% off and $30 off new boards, and our extended hours will be 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Right now we have winds out the south at 5 to 10 knots. It is putting a little bit of bump on the faces of the waves, but it's still pretty fun. The surf is running in knee to thigh high range with some waist to rib high sets. It is pretty fun though. The tide is coming in. We'll have a high tide at 3:49 p.m. and we'll have a low this evening at 9:51 p.m. High pressure will prevail into Tuesday. A cold front will move through the area late Wednesday, with high pressure returning through late this week, Thursday, Friday. It is sunny out on the beach. It is about 75 degrees and we're supposed to have a high of 79. And the water temp is 62, 63 degrees. So come on out, come get some fun waves while they last. Have a great day.